Hello, welcome to my channel! Important to know creating some footage as requires some bytes plugin science the speed of the process and make this much easy. Feel free to ask question or give suggestion in the comment section. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within scope of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. I won't give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their usage. On this video I will show all the button press. You can slow it down via YouTube player. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.